Navigating in OneNote can be a little tricky, so I'm going to show you how to always be able to get back to this welcome page, which is in a sense your home page for your class. And up here you have all your different spaces, your collaboration space, content library, and your student notebooks. And those really serve as different folders within your overall class notebook. So for example, if I went into the collaboration space, I would be opening up a folder, and within that folder, there are two other subfolders called group project number 1, group project number 2. Over here on the left-hand side where it says what notebook I'm in, it also says the subfolder or space that I'm occupying is the collaboration space. And it will always tell you where you are within your class notebook right down here underneath the title of the notebook itself. To navigate back, all you have to do is hit this green arrow, or you can hit this arrow in the top left-hand corner as well. So if I hit the green arrow, it takes me back to the welcome page, but it can be really easy to get deep into the folders and not know exactly where you're at. So for example, if I were in the content library and I went into Unit 1 and I went over to my assignments tab, I'd have all of my assignments for Unit 1. Assignment number 1, assignment number 2, assignment number 3. If I ever wanted to navigate back, all I'd have to do is hit this green arrow or this arrow up here at the top. It also is helpful to know that I'm in Unit 1. As I go back, it'll tell me I'm in the content library, and if I go back one more time, it'll take me back to this home page.